Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Yeah, you read the title of this video, you participated in my polls on Instagram. This is the Instagram followers pick my makeup challenge. If you want to see what you guys picked and what the look is going to be like with all the products, you know what to do. Okay, so first I didn't put a primer in there because I only have one primer that I like. I don't want this look to completely fail, so I figured the primer should just stay the same. Except, I don't know where I put it. So, I found my primer. I'm gonna tie my hair back, or just kidding. I'm gonna put bobby pins in my hair because I just am. Okay, so now I'm gonna prime my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I used this in my last video and I told you guys that I hated it the first time I tried it, which is totally true. And then last video I was like, I actually like this. So that's what we're doing. I already moisturized my face. I still go in with primer afterwards, just because. And I think it genuinely helps. Also, I have dry skin, so during the day, if my skin gets dry, it like flakes, and that's ugly, so I put primer on my face. Okay, and let's start off with eyebrows because that's usually what I do. So let's see what you guys chose for eyebrows. You guys chose Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god. You guys chose that, which I thought you guys were gonna choose Benefit. I really did. So let's go in with that. We have the Dip Brow Pomade right here. This thing's like 1,000 years old. Just kidding, but it's not, and it's seen better days, my darling. No, hold on, please hold. Yeah, I really thought that you guys would choose Anastasia Beverly Hills for sure. So this is a curveball, but it's fine. It'll work out. I just take 500 years to do my eyebrows with this stuff because it's so tough. In the meantime, we're just gonna fast forward through this, but you guys saw I am using the ABH Dip Brow Pomade that you guys wanted me to, so see you in a few. Okay, so I'm done my eyebrows, but I needed to see what concealer you guys picked because I'm gonna carve them out right now. And you guys chose Tarte, which I figured that you guys would choose Tarte, but here it is. Here it is. That's a good majority. So I'm just gonna use Tarte concealer to carve my eyebrows out. Okay, so now that I am done carving out my eyebrows and my eyebrows are done, we are going to go into eyes. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape as my primer for my eyes, and let's see what you guys chose for the palette. Laura Lee! You guys chose Cat's Pajamas. So let's just go right into it. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape for my eye primer. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. I'm going to set that with whatever powder you guys chose, so let's see which one that was. Oh, you guys chose Airspun. Which, to be honest, I saw that going either way. Like, I really wasn't sure. So, let me just blend this out. And we are going to go in to our Airspun powder that you guys chose. And we're just gonna set that in place. And now that that is done, let's go into Cat's Pajamas. This palette is so gorgeous. I'm literally obsessed. All right, so what the heck are we gonna do? I don't know. So we obviously should start out with Bomb Diggity because that's just the perfect transition shade. So let's start out with that. I don't know what type of look we're going for today. I don't know if it's gonna be dramatic or like not dramatic. I don't know. We'll see. And we're just kind of taking this as our transition shade, so we're carrying it into the crease and above into the brow bone a little bit. Let's go into Cray Cray, which is this shade right here, next to Bomb Diggity. Put that into the crease, and we're just gonna keep building that up. We are going to go back into Bomb Diggity just to like blend this color out a little bit. So blend out those harsh lines with Bomb Diggity like so. And then we are going to go into, I think we're gonna go in with Kooky, which is this shade right here. Apply this. And I'm just really making sure that these colors are dark. And if you notice, I'm padding. I'm padding to get the color actually down, but then I am going back and forth very lightly, might I add. Now that we just went in with Kooky, we're gonna go in with, I think I'm feeling Corky, which is this shade right here. And now we're just really gonna darken up. And if you notice, I'm carrying this shade more into the orange, or not orange, but Cray Cray shade. I'm carrying that more in up there than I was with the other. So I'm kind of sticking this on like the outside of that Kooky shade that we just did. And now I'm just going to go back in to Kooky, which is the shade next to it. And I'm going to kind of deepen up this crease a little. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go back in with Cray Cray and Bomb Diggity and just smoke this top out that way, or I'm just gonna go in with Bomb Diggity actually, just so that I can lighten this a smidge and just make sure that it's nice and blended and seamless. And now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape like you guys picked, and I'm just going to cut the center of my lid out, and I'm going to go into Redonkulous, which is this shade, and I've never used this before. And I'm going to put that right on top of where we just cut that crease. So now that we just did that and it looks like a giant blob, we are going to clean it up by just smudging, or not smudging, but we're going to go back in with the Kooky and Corky and just blend that and smudge that right here into the creases. Now that we are done the eyes, I'm going to clean up just using a makeup wipe. Clean underneath my eye and give that a nice cut edge. Now let's finally move on to the face. Oh, just kidding. Wait, did you guys want liner? Let's find out. You did want eyeliner. I thought for sure you guys were gonna say no liner. Okay, so I guess I'll do my eyeliner. I'm not gonna do it on camera. That'll just take forever. But this is the eyeliner I'm gonna use. This is Inglot. AMC eyeliner gel. I like it a lot. And I guess I'll do, oh, which lashes did you guys want? Because I'll just do those off camera too. Oh, and you wanted Better Than Sex mascara. And then Faux Mink. Cool. Okay, so I'll do my eyeliner, and then I'll do Better Than Sex mascara, and then I will do these lashes. I will be right back. Please hold. Okay, so now that I am done my eyes officially, That was rude. Now that I'm officially done with my eyes, let's move on to the face. Let's see what you guys picked. Oh, you picked Milani. I actually really like this foundation, you guys. It's not, oh, maybe it is my color now. Thank the Lord above. I have such a hard time finding my shade in foundations. Does anyone else? It's because of the fact that I have so much redness right here. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I have like rosacea or something like that. You guys picked Tarte Concealer Shape Tape, so we're gonna go in with that. Said you care for me. And I just used the same Beauty Blender to go into this because I really don't think that it matters. Like, you're blending it into the foundation anyway. So, but that's just my opinion, you know? And now let's go into our Airspun, which I already told you guys that you picked. And I just take the flat side of the Beauty Blender. This is the, it's not a Beauty Blender, it's a Real Techniques, but. Now while we are waiting, now while we are waiting for that to set, let's see what contour and bronzer you picked. I really don't like contour. I just usually bronze up my face and call it a day. But let's see what you guys picked. Hoola! I really thought you guys would pick the Anastasia Beverly, the contour kit, Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. So that's cool. Can I just say the lashes that you guys chose, I really don't know how I feel yet. Like, first of all, they were so freaking hard to get out of the package. I'm taking this right now and going in with that. Don't mind my dogs in the background. They're playing and I really don't want to disturb them because then we'll have a serious issue and this video will never get finished. I hate this part because it always gets in my hair like so much. I need to clean this room. Wow, the amount of thoughts that go through my head is absolutely ridiculous. And let's see what you guys picked for blush. Oh, whoa. It was so close. You guys picked the Tarte. I'm kind of feeling this shade because it kind of goes with the look, which is Authentic. So we're gonna go into Authentic right here. It's like a purpley nude-ish. I don't know. I'm not good with colors. I love blush. I feel like blush is so underappreciated. But that's just me. Let's go in with highlighter. See what you guys picked for that. You guys chose Urban Decay Naked, which it's a great one, but I really thought you guys were gonna pick Wet n Wild. I haven't used this in like forever. Wow. We got the glow going, peeps. Wow. I don't even like donuts, but I'm looking like a glazed one. Oh my gosh, I forgot to contour my nose. Okay, hold on. Yep. We're in. We are in. Okay. I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna do my nose. Crap, where's that brush? Shut up. Did I use it? Oh my god, I hate myself. Hello? Oh my god, you're home! Junior's home. What? So now I'm gonna highlight my nose. Boom. What do we have left? What the heck? Okay. We have lashes, mascara, brows. Oh, lips. You guys chose glossy? I was not expecting that. I really thought you guys would choose matte. And then set with Morphe. So we can just go ahead and set our face right now. Let's use Morphe. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go straight in with Sephora. This is Fig Luster. It's their Luster Matte Longwear Lip Color. And then I'll put the gloss on top. Oh, that's wicked pretty. What the heck? I forgot how pretty this color was. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for that to dry, and while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to go in to my my lower lash line with the eyeshadows, and just go in with Kooky, and some of Cray Cray, and just kind of mix those underneath my lower lash line. And I will be right back to put on the gloss. I did my lower lash line, I popped some mascara on, I did my inner corner highlight, and now the last thing to do is to apply some gloss. So I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss, and this is the shade Rose Gold, and we're just gonna apply that. That's really pretty. I'm not quite sure if it goes with this look exactly, but you know what? I'm not hating it. Okay guys, so that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, comments, concerns, leave them down below, and I will see you next time.